So Rebecca, some of the industry challenges that we see our manufacturing clients go through that maybe some don't, other industries don't experience. Part of it is the pandemic, supply chain disruption, geopolitical issues. Those are impacting a lot of our manufacturing customers more than others, right? And so part of the challenge we have with those customers is solving problems that extend beyond technology, beyond their current process, things that are a bit out of their control. So one of the things we've talked about is revenue operations, right? How is that? What are some of the things you're talking to your clients about relative to revenue operations?
When you think about revenue operations, there's a few different factors. One is in kind of the forecasting of what your opportunity pipeline looks like, but what your product forecast looks like. And then there's also the ability to deploy new pricing and packaging models to your customer and update your pricing of your individual components or your packaged goods in a closer to real-time type of way. And what we're seeing in manufacturing that, to your point, doesn't necessarily impact every industry, those concepts, forecasting and updating packaging models is actually not always that easy for a lot of manufacturers. Sometimes there is a limitation on how quickly pricing can be updated throughout the various systems.
Right.
So when we think pricing, what challenges or what concerns are you hearing your customers say that would lead you to believe that there is an opportunity for Salesforce as a product to help them, or for PwC as a firm to perhaps support?
Yeah, I think there's a number of questions I'd be asking them. Well, one of them is, are we winning or losing more deals than we should be, right? Are sellers pricing things relative to market conditions and firm conditions, right? The strict rules that we may have around that. And is there a flexibility as the market changes? If those things aren't there, right, and it's not dynamic enough, I think those are the type of questions that I'd be asking the firm. Rebecca, when we think about Rev Ops and you're in front of our customers, what are some of those questions that either the customer's coming to you or we should be asking our customer about revenue operations?
I would ask, what does your integration landscape look like? And is it one that prohibits your organization from rapidly deploying new pricing and packaging options? Or is your integration ecosystem complex to the degree that it doesn't give you the visibility into sales activities that you're looking for to drive revenue predictability in the back office? And I'd ask, do you see your finance and sales teams in alignment or frequently on separate pages?